2 pumpkins, and we're gonna put Coke and Mentos in one, and then we're gonna put baking soda and vinegar in the other, and see which one has the bigger eruption. First, we're going to cut out the top and get all the seeds out and make a spooky little face. And we're gonna have Daddy help us do that. I'm gonna start by drawing the faces on the pumpkins.
Hi, what are we doing?
So far, this is what we get. Here's mine. Your turn. Draw your face on yours. You guys can tell us which one looks better. What kind of mouth do you want to do? Happy mouth or
Happy now. Here's mine.
let us know whose is better. Okay, so now we're gonna have Daddy cut it out for us, and then we're gonna test out which eruption is bigger, baking soda and vinegar or Coke and Mentos. Which one do you think is gonna be bigger?
Baking soda and vinegar.
Okay, so we'll find out.
Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Cut the eyes out.
I'm putting banana in there.
You gotta take all this stuff out when you eat pumpkin soup.
Ew.
How's it feel? What's it feel like?
I feel like monkey.
Really? Now cut the face.
Look at my pumpkin, guys.
Here's Rosie's. And here's Mommy's.
Now we got Cook salad.
Yeah! Okay, so we're gonna take the tops off of these. Okay, so which one? Do you want to do baking soda and vinegar or Coke and Mentos in yours?
We can make those.
Okay, so first we'll put the Mentos in. Okay? So I'm gonna open it up. Open it up. Here. A Mentos.
But that's for like Coke.
Dump them all in, like this. All the Mentos are going in. And then we'll pour the Coke in.
Yay.
But first, I'm gonna put some baking soda in mine. So then we'll put some food coloring in this one. Drum roll. 1, 2, 3, go. Ah! I think mine's winning. think baking soda and vinegar won.
No.
What? Okay, go ahead. Here, let me get more baking soda. Let's do some more. Yay! Yeah, you did say baking soda and vinegar. Look at it.
Wow!
Yeah.
Yeah. Here,
Put some Coke in it.
and see what happens.
Thanks for watching, everybody.
Thanks for watching, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Don't forget to
Don't
subscribe.
forget